Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I'm gonna make famous Italian dish Cacio e Pepe. It will be one of the fantastic examples of traditional Italian cuisine called cucina povera, poor people cuisine. For me, the best cuisine on this planet. First, check all three ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious dish. Amigos, extremely delicious cacio e pepe is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. Pasta on the breakfast? Why not? I love pasta.